Have you streamed on YouTube? How was that experience compared to streaming on Twitch as a streamer? And then I want to know what the experience is as like a viewer.
I think as a streamer, it's significantly worse. Okay. And it's kind of bad. They don't have like any features, if I'm being honest. You know, like they don't have very many features. So if you're starting off as a streamer, I mean, you might do it anyway. You're not going to have very much exposure. They don't have that much exposure on Twitch. Well, they don't have that much exposure on YouTube either. Like you don't really. You're not going to get exposed either way, I think, starting off. And I think the easiest way to create a community is still through Twitch.
And how do you feel like the UI is for your viewers coming in to watch the YouTube streams? Have you had any comments from anybody that's watched you on Twitch and then watched you on YouTube?
One thing a lot of people mention is that, like, on Twitch, all you have is a streamer, and you have the choice between this streamer you're watching and other streamers. So you're always watching streams, but on YouTube you have recommended videos on the side. You have all this other distractions, I think, from the stream that will take you away from it. One other thing while I'm streaming is that, like, if you just click the screen on accident, it'll take you to the next video. Like, you have autoplay or whatever. You have the what is it? It's like the little arrow. If you accidentally even click on the screen, you're in the next thing, and like that detracts from your stream right away. You don't want that as a streamer. You don't want someone to accident. I do it all the time I'm streaming on YouTube, and I accidentally click the video, and I'm in the next thing. So I don't know. YouTube has a little bit of catching up to do, but
my personal opinion is that they've been kind of poaching some of the Twitch streamers, bringing them over to YouTube, because they, are experienced with the Twitch experience. They're experienced with the Twitch culture and the community, the users, the viewers, right? The people, the main lifeblood of Twitch, right? In the background, I think that they're hosting, some chats, some group chats, some conversations between the developers of YouTube, the live streaming team, right? And these big streamers to say, like, what can we do? We're paying you now. We contract you to work for us. So give us the goods, tell us what we need, So hopefully that kind of helps to evolve YouTube as a platform, right? And hopefully we'll see some proper competition against Twitch, and maybe that will finally help Twitch kick into gear and get us some good stuff too,